Hi everybody, welcome back to our Thanksgiving series, episode 2. We are making fried cabbage. This is some of the ingredients we're going to need for our fried cabbage. Of course, we have our whole cabbage here, and we have bell peppers. I'm just using half of the bell peppers. We have medium purple onion and yellow onion. We have shallots. Then we have green onion, puree, garlic. Let's get started. First, we are going to chop our cabbage. I am going to divide it in 4 pieces, and we are going to take off the middle part. Then we're going to set our cabbage aside and dice our onion and the rest of the ingredients. And I am using ghee today. Some people call it clarified butter. You don't have to use it. I am going to mix it with olive oil, or you can use any oil you like. You can even use butter if you like. The measurement and the ingredient will be listed on the description box. Then we add the olive oil. Then we let the oil warm for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add the bell peppers, the onions, the shallots, and the green onions. Then we're going to give it a stir. I am cooking on a medium-high heat. And we have a bay leaf that we're going to add. We add the garlic. After that, we stir it again. I am adding the beef bouillon seasoning, and we're going to add Old Bay also, but feel free to add any seasoning you like. I am adding pepper flake. They're spicy. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this one or just add a little bit, tiny bitty bit. I want it to be spicy a little bit, that's why I add the peppers. And we added the black pepper. Now I'm adding smoked paprika. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we're going to add the cabbage, and we're going to give it a stir again. Then we're going to stir all the ingredients together with the seasoning. And if you like them crunchy, you can cook them more than 5 to 10 minutes. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to make them because I want them to be crunchy. If you don't like crunchy, you can cook them a little longer. We're going to put the lid on. I hope you guys going to make this side dish for this Thanksgiving for your family, which is I'm so excited about. I love Thanksgiving. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And jarama.